It was mid-July. The thermometer was pegged at 95 degrees, and I was staring at a green, swampy disaster in my backyard. I had bought a cheap above-ground pool thinking it would be a quick fix for the summer heat. Instead, the flimsy frame bent, the included pump couldn't keep up with a bird bath, and the liner sprung a leak before August. I spent more time trying to save it than actually swimming. If you are tired of throwing money at seasonal pools that barely last a season, you are not alone. Today we are breaking down the two heavyweights that actually solve this problem, the Intex Ultra XTR and the Bestway APX 365. Let's find out which one belongs in your yard. Frame construction and assembly. When you graduate to this tier of pools, you are done with thin, circular metal poles that buckle if someone pushes off the side too hard. Both of these models rely on thick, galvanized steel, but they tackle the engineering differently. The Intex Ultra XTR uses a proprietary easy-lock system with galvanized steel T-joints. Both the inner and outer tubes are powder-coated to fend off rust. If you hate complicated instructions, this is your winner. The tubes literally snap together securely without any tools, making it one of the easiest large-scale pools to get standing. Bestway goes a different route with the APX 365. They use an 8-corner octagonal frame design meant to increase flexural strength. The real draw here is their click-connect system, which specifically prevents metal-on-metal contact at the joints. That is a massive deal for preventing rust over the long haul. However, assembling those octagonal pieces takes a bit more patience than the simple round tubes on the Intex. Liner tech and winterization. This category is where these two pools split into completely different use cases. The 365 and the Bestway APX 365 is not just marketing speak, it is literal. This pool features what they call Polar Shield weather defense technology, which means it is specifically engineered to stay up through freezing winter temperatures. Instead of tearing the whole thing down in October, you just lower the water level to about 2/3. Its Tri-Tech liner, which is a polyester pore sandwiched between two layers of PVC, is built to handle the expansion of ice without tearing. Intex takes a more traditional approach with the Ultra XTR. It uses a serious heavy-duty, 3-ply puncture-resistant liner that is exceptionally durable during the summer. It is arguably thicker than some entry-level Bestway models. However, Intex draws a hard line on winter weather. They explicitly recommend dismantling the pool when temperatures drop below freezing. If you leave it up and the ice destroys the liner or warps the frame, you're on your own. Do not even bother with standard cartridge filters on pools this size. They simply cannot move enough water to keep things clean. Thankfully, both the Intex and the Bestway include sand filter pumps right out of the box, but the media they use inside those pumps is different. The Intex Ultra XTR comes with the crystal clear sand filter pump. It is an absolute workhorse with a great flow rate. The catch is that you have to go buy standard pool filter sand or glass media separately before you can actually use it. It is an extra step and an extra cost you have to factor in. Bestway includes a solid sand filter pump as well, but they bundle it with polysphere filtration balls. These look like little cotton balls, and they completely replace the need for heavy sand. They are lightweight, highly efficient, and you can actually wash and reuse them every few months. Because the media is included, you can literally set up the APX 365, fill it, and turn the pump on the exact same day without making a hardware store run. Parts availability and maintenance. Over a 5 to 10 year lifespan, things are going to break. Plastic skimmer parts crack in the sun, hoses eventually split, and O-rings dry out. How easily you can replace those parts is a massive factor in long-term ownership. Intex completely dominates the retail market. If a hose splits on a Saturday morning in the middle of a heat wave, you can drive to almost any major hardware or big box store and find an Intex replacement part on the shelf. You are back in the water by noon. Bestway is highly durable, but their replacement parts and compatible accessories are just not as common in physical stores. If you need a specific hose adapter or a new skimmer basket for the APX 365, you are almost certainly going to have to order it online. That means waiting a few days for shipping, which feels like an eternity when your pool is sitting unusable in July. Here's what it comes down to. If you want maximum durability for summer use and the peace of mind that comes with easy part replacement, go with the Intex Ultra XTR. But if the thought of draining, dismantling, folding, and storing a giant pool every single fall makes you want to skip having a pool entirely, the Bestway APX 365 is the year-round solution you need. Backyard aesthetics and visual appeal. Let me explain why looks matter when you are dropping real money on a pool. You have to stare at this massive object in your yard every single day. The Intex Ultra XTR sticks to a very industrial and functional design. It features a dark gray exterior with a classic blue tile print on the inside. It looks exactly like what it is, which is a massive piece of outdoor equipment. Bestway takes a different angle with the APX 365. They frequently utilize faux wood grain or stone patterns on the exterior to help the pool blend into your landscaping or match a custom-built deck. If you care about your backyard looking like a designed outdoor space rather than a municipal water park, Bestway gives you much better visual options out of the box. Included accessories and safety features. Here's what matters when you finally open the boxes. Both companies throw in a ladder, a ground cloth, and a debris cover, but the quality and function of those items vary wildly. The Intex ladder includes removable external steps. This is a massive safety feature if you have young kids. You can simply pop the exterior steps off and set them aside when the pool is not in use to prevent accidental entry. The Bestway ladder is incredibly sturdy, but it often lacks that quick removal feature depending on the exact bundle you purchase. However, Bestway makes up ground with their cover. Because the APX 365 is meant to stay up all winter, the included cover is a heavy-duty weather-resistant tarp designed to handle snow and wind. The Intex cover is strictly a thin summer dust shield that will rip if you look at it wrong during a storm. Footprint and space requirements. You need to know exactly how much yard you are truly willing to sacrifice. Both of these are massive pools, but their frame designs change the actual footprint on your grass. The Intex pools rely on large U-shaped support legs that extend far outward from the pool wall. You have to account for at least an extra 2 to 3 feet of clearance all the way around the perimeter. If you buy a 20-foot pool, you actually need a 24-foot circle of perfectly level ground. The Bestway octagonal frame sits slightly more flush and tight to the liner, making it slightly easier to squeeze into a yard with tight property lines. Bottom line, neither pool is forgiving if your yard is uneven. You must measure the structural support legs into your layout plan before you even think about hitting the buy button. Overall value and hidden costs. Let's talk about where your money actually goes over the lifespan of the pool. Up front, these two are usually priced neck and neck depending on what month you buy them. But the long-term costs look very different. With the Intex, you're going to spend money every single year on water replacement if you live in a cold climate. Draining thousands of gallons in the fall means paying your utility company to refill it every spring. You also have to buy sand for the filter on day one. With the Bestway APX 365, you keep most of your water right through the winter. That saves you on your water bill and the heavy chemical costs of rebalancing fresh water from scratch every May. Plus, those filtration balls come right in the box. Over a 5-year period, the Bestway actually ends up being cheaper to run, even if the initial sticker price stings a little more.